What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be giving you guys some New Year's Eve eyeshadow inspiration for whatever your New Year's celebration may be. I feel like New Year's is a perfect time to bust out the glitter, whether it be silver, whether it be gold, whether it be black, whether it be pink. As long as you're wearing some type of shimmer, some type of glitter on your lids, your New Year's ready to go. So if you're wondering how I achieve this eye look, or you just need some eyeshadow inspiration for a formal party or New Year's or etc, then keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into the look. You know, I decided to have one eye already completed and then do the second one on camera just so we can, you know, keep track of the vision and not, you know, veer or steer away from it. So just in case you guys get a little scared, you're like, you can reference back to this eye that it doesn't look that bad. So today we are going to be using two different palettes. They are both the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palettes. We have the Amrezy palette and we have the Modern Renaissance palette, which is like my tried and true, however you say that expression. I've had this one for a long time, and the only shade we're going to use from this palette is literally my favorite shimmer gold shade, and you will witness that later on in the video. So let's go ahead and open up this palette right here, and we are going to grab a very small eye shading stamping brush, and we're going to dip into the shade 1988. So any dark maroon shade that you have, dip into it and let's get cracking. So I am just going to stamp this shade right above my crease, and the hardest part is to make sure that it's in line with the other eye. No, but I have faith in myself. And you're just gonna stamp it all the way down. And then I'm just going to connect it here. And this is what we have so far. What I love about this palette is that it's extremely pigmented, so it doesn't take a lot for you to achieve, you know, the payout that you're going for. And just to make it really sharp, to make this look even sharper, just make sure that's really dark. Just like that. And next we are going to grab a small blending brush. We're going to dip into the shade New Yorker, whatever, and then we are going to blend up and out. Trying to get rid of these harsh lines, so this step will take some time. Just be patient and just go in circular motions with a light hand. Next, I'm going to grab a flat little highlighting brush, and I'm going to dip into the shade Wasted, which is like a very nudish pink, and I'm just going to highlight the brow bone. And then with that same blending brush, I'm just going to go ahead and blend all that together. Next, I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease, and I'll be right back. So I've already cut the crease. I'm going to go ahead and grab that first brush and dip into that first dark brown shade, and I'm going to darken up the outer corner and kind of blend into the cut crease. Next, I'm going to grab my trusted Morphe M124 brush. I'm going to make sure it's clean. And I'm going to dip into this Dragon shade, which is a vibrant gold shimmer, but it's kind of on the dark side. And I'm going to place this from like where my eye is. If I look straight, like the width of my eyeball. Like the width of my pupil and my iris. That's how I'm going to measure this out. I don't know how to explain it. I'm gonna kind of go a little further out on the bottom corner So when I place the next gold shimmer, it's gonna have like a really crisp and cute, like, you know what I mean, kind of thing. So yeah, this is what we have so far, and now I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Modern Renaissance palette and dip into the greatest gold shimmer shade to ever be created. And it is right here called Primavera, and you can see like I've already hit pan on this like years ago, but it's literally the best gold shade in my opinion. I'm gonna put this on the inner corner and connect it with that darker gold shimmer shade. Just like that. And then one last time, I'm gonna just kind of make it more crisp right here. I'm gonna kind of like use this as an eraser, so to speak. So wherever the shimmer shade got like out of line, I'm just going to darken it up there. I'm also going to clean up the outer corner and make it look a little more sharp, just like that. And when you do two different shimmer shades on the lid, it really brightens your eyelids versus like if I was to only use the dark gold shade, my eyes wouldn't look so bright. That's why I like to incorporate two different ones. So next I'm going to grab this same brush, dip into 1988 and go on the waterline. And then I'm going to grab that bright shimmer shade with the Morphe M124 brush and just highlight the inner corner. Just like that. Next I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara, pop on some lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the final look with the lips and the lashes completed. I am very much giving you formal but very much ready to party type of vibes, and I feel like that's really the vibe for New Year's, so it's a perfect look for you. I feel like you can wear this to the bar, you can wear this to a fancy New Year's party. It's a very versatile look. As long as you have sparkles, it's New Year's approved. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section below. And if you're also curious to any other products that I use to complete this look, everything I use will be linked in the description below. I had so much fun filming this video for y'all, and I hope you guys enjoy. I'll catch you in the next video. Adios. Happy New Year.